Brian, our road to forever reminds me of these mountains. Steady, wild, breathtaking, and stronger than anything below it. You remained patient, very patient, and kind, waiting for our forever to begin. I can admit to you now, and everyone here, that after every date, I couldn't wait to see you again.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, these giant mountains, the rocks, the incredible view.
Brian, you have the largest presence and the kindest heart. I love the way you patiently listening to all my rambling, always encouraging, and never doubtful of my ideas. I love how you show up as your true, authentic self with me, something I feel deeply honored to witness.
October 19th, 2023, the day we met. We sat on your patio. I arrived around 8, and I didn't leave until about 2 in the morning. I recognize your desire to prioritize my needs above your own, and I love you for that. I try and do the same, even though sometimes that means we both end up standing in a long line for a pretzel neither of us want. But know that pretzel or not, I'll always be by your side.
Take care of her. I know you will.
I promise to keep falling in love with every version of you, the person you are today, and all you'll become tomorrow. I vow to walk with you hand in hand through all of life's valleys and peaks, because no matter where life leads us, the only view I want is the one with you by my side.
I vow to forever be by your side, to always have my arms open for you when you need it, to make time when time is needed, and keep us on our path together. I vow to appreciate the gift that is your presence in my life each and every day, when it's easy and when it's hard, to build a home of love and patience, and to spend the rest of my life reminding you how much I love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss. Marriage means many things. It's a commitment to each other to accept the other person in his or her entirety, as a companion, a lover, and as a friend. Marriage is a relationship based on love, respect, and determination.
I promise to continue to dream alongside you and support you as we build our life together. And I vow to love you beyond until death do us part.
You welcomed me into your home and filled it with a selfless and relaxed feeling full of love and affection. There we have shared so many moments that left me feeling blessed beyond measure to have you in my life. How thankful I am to have you in my life and to be able to call you my wife.